In today's video I want to show you guys how you can connect your Fire TV stick with Wi-Fi and what you can do if you have problems with your internet. Okay, for the first we go to the right here to the settings, click on network. So and when we are here we see our network, and what we can do is here click on the OK button, and then we can connect with our Wi-Fi. So if we have this, we can click on this, and then we can type in our password. Okay, and what we can do now, if we have problems or something else, then so I go back here, and then we click on our internet. So and then here we can click on this button to do a network check or network status check. But what we also can do is click on this to forget this network and then to reconnect. So we can click on this, reconnect after that, and then type in the password new. You also can turn your Wi-Fi off for like 2 minutes and then turn it on to restart your Wi-Fi from your TV. And you also do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your Wi-Fi. And here our basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting tips, and here you also can reboot your Fire TV stick. Okay, and then if I could help you with this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you next time.